What is up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video I have got my hands on this Motion Plus, a hi-fi portable Bluetooth speaker by Anker Soundcore. Mark my words guys, this speaker is fantastic in sound quality and very competitive price. This hi-fi portable Bluetooth speaker comes with a feature which you only expect in a high-end Bluetooth speaker, but this one is going to give them a proper fight. Starting with the features, which is 30-watt room filling sound, full waterproof, which is IPX7 rated, bass subsystem technology, equalizer, which is using by the application. Using the Soundcore application, you can have the features like extended bass and treble, active crossover, as well as the wireless pairing too, which makes it way easier if you'd like to use multiple same speaker at the same time. So that means you can also have a true wireless stereo as well as the party feature on a click of one button using the application. But in terms of feature, that is not it. You can also have a 12 hours of playtime with one single charge and come with the latest connectivity of charging using USB-C type. Not bad at all. Everything is future proof and useful too. Now within the package you get following items, starting with this quick startup guide explaining to you each and everything about this Bluetooth speaker and couple of leaflets, one USB-C type charging cable and one 3.5mm auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Now in last but not least, Motion Plus, a hi-fi portable Bluetooth speaker, where in the front of the speaker you have a 2-line driver and one passive radiator along with the 2 tweeters on side to side. In the front we also have a metal mesh which looks fantastic, to be honest with you, in terms of its looks. But the other bad thing which I notice is the top, which is basically a matte finish, rubbery kind of a thing, and which is more prone towards getting the marks as well. So let's suppose if you drop it, you're going to have a proper mark on it. That is the drawback I have found so far. Now all is straightforward, and important buttons to control this speaker are available on the top, so as the status indicator lights, starting with the bass on and off, volume control, play and a pause in the middle, so as the Bluetooth button straight away. On the back of the speaker you also have a passive radiator to throw out the pounding bass out of it. On one of the speaker side you have a power on and off button with the status indicator light, as well as the compartment covering all the ports, starting with the one micro USB-C type for the charging and auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Now whenever you're using this Bluetooth speaker in water, make sure to cover up this compartment for making sure it's a waterproof compatible. Under the base of the speaker you have 2 anti-slip rubbers to help you whenever you place the speaker on a surface not to move with the huge amount of bass. Now in terms of build quality, Motion Plus is fantastic. A premium quality Bluetooth speaker with some weight as well. Weight is enough guys. If you would like to hit to someone with this speaker, it's going to hurt him properly, honestly speaking. Now connecting this Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone and using the Soundcore application is easy and straightforward. First, power up the Bluetooth speaker. You're going to hear the notification sound and all the status indicator lights on the top. Now put the speaker in the pairing mode. You need to press and hold this Bluetooth button right in here. You're going to hear the notification as well as so as the flashing Bluetooth light. Now you can go straight away into your mobile phone and open up the Bluetooth settings. Now within the Bluetooth settings, when they are in discovery mode and in available devices, you should be able to locate Soundcore Motion Plus. Click on it and click pair to connect to the speaker straight away. Now once the speaker is connected with your mobile phone, you're going to see it available in the pair devices, and right in here you can see the aptX mode as well, which is a fantastic sound quality option for the high sound quality. Simple and straightforward in terms of that. Now at the same time you can also download the Soundcore application from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once you've done it, open it up and use it straight away. It will straight away connect with the Bluetooth speaker which you have with you. Now if you're connected with the first time using this application, it will ask you to upgrade the firmware by click of one button, which you can do it as well. Now once you successfully upgraded the firmware of your Bluetooth speaker using this Soundcore application, where is going to show you each and everything about your Bluetooth speaker, starting with this battery status light and what equalizer settings are set, and you can change them as well from the bass off, bass on, voice, heavy and classic, and quite much more. Straightforward kind of an option in here, as well as you can control the volume of your speaker too. You can turn the power on and off, play and pause if there's a music playing on the speaker itself, so as go into the menu where you can go into auto power off options, so as upgrading your firmware of your speaker along with the disconnection too. Now on the speaker itself, you also have a status indicator lights, as I mentioned before. One is for the Bluetooth connectivity, which is solid blue color. Another one is a bass on and off button actually. Now whatever equalizer setting you have set using the application, which can be turned on using this bass button on the top of the speaker. You can control the volume, so and play and pause in here as well. Now it's time to go ahead with the performance test, where I'll be playing some royalty-free music which I have downloaded on my mobile phone. At the same time, I'll be using the Soundcore application, changing the bass and other extra features of it to show you the performance of it as well. So let's get into that. Now let's check out the audio sound quality using the non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Even for the same, this video I will be using my mobile phone with the auxiliary port. On auxiliary port, you can also control the volume as well. Now whenever you charge your Bluetooth speaker, you will going to see the status indicator light on the power as well. And once it's completely charged, the status indicator light will change to white, or it will straight away go down to power off when it's not working. So here I am in the end of this video, and we looked into all the typical and key features which we'd seen in the beginning of this video, that everything is right on the money. Now in my opinion and recommendation, this speaker is worth buying, to be honest with you, for the price it offers as well as the quality it gives. Sound quality is fantastic, basses are solid, so as the vocals too. Everything is great about this Bluetooth speaker, and you can also compare with all other high-end speakers without any doubt. Now if you're going to compare this Bluetooth speaker with any other high-end speaker in the similar range, you're going to find this Soundcore Motion Plus is fantastic in all ranges. Now in near future, I'll be doing a couple of comparison videos to share with you my opinion in them as well. That would be all from my side. If you're interested in purchasing this Soundcore Bluetooth speaker, link would be available in the video description. That would be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now. See ya.